Hello students, this is Sanchita ma'am here, welcoming you all in my social studies class. I hope you all are well. We were in the chapter 5, that is rotation and revolution. Yesterday in my last video I have given you the word meanings of these chapters. So today we will do the exercises of your book. Now students, you open your book page number 36, page number 36, 37, that pages. First one is there, fill in the blanks. I have written the answers here as usual in green color. So you please write down these answers in your book. Or you can write in your classwork copy also. I prefer you write in your book. The answers are written in green color. Number 1, fill in the blanks. A. Number 1, the earth spins like a top on its axis. In the blank you write axis. The earth spins like a top on its axis. Number 2, dash of the earth causes day and night. The answer will be rotation of the earth causes day and night. Number 3, during rotation the areas of the earth facing the sun have dash. The answer will be day. During rotation the areas of the earth facing the sun have day. During rotation the areas of the earth facing the sun have day. Next, number 4, the dash divides the earth into 2 equal hemispheres. The answer is equator. So the full sentence will be the equator divides the earth into 2 equal hemispheres. Number 5, a year with an extra day added to the month of February is called a dash. A year with an extra day added to the month of February is called a leap year. The answer is leap year. I think these things are known to you. I have already discussed in my previous videos that a leap year generally has 366 days. So a year with an extra day added to the month of February is called a leap year. Now students, you go to page number 37. There you can see match the following. Number B, match the following. In match the following, I have given here all the answers. But first, I want to read the question. Match the following in column A. Number 1 is given axis. Number 2, revolution. Number 3, orbit. Number 4, rotation. And number 5, midnight sun. In column B, in A, it is written change of seasons. Number B, 24 hours. Number C, polar regions. Number D, an imaginary line. And number E, the fixed path followed by the earth. Here I have given you all the answers. First one is axis will be matched with number D of column B, that is an imaginary line. You know axis is an imaginary line. So number 1 will be matched with number D of column B, an imaginary line. Axis is an imaginary line. Number 2, revolution will be matched with number A of column B, that is revolution is the cause of change of seasons. So revolution will be matched with change of seasons. Number 3, orbit will be matched with the fixed path followed by the earth. You know orbit is a fixed path around the sun which is followed by the earth. So number 3, orbit will be matched in column B's E, that is the fixed path followed by the earth. Number 4, rotation will be matched with B, 24 hours. 24 hours. Our earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So rotation will be matched with 24 hours. Number 5, midnight sun will be matched with polar regions. Midnight sun is seen in only the polar regions. You know it. So number 5 will be matched with C of column B, polar regions. Now number C, write true or false. The answers I have written by green coloring. So you write in your book, the answers are given here. Number 1, the Earth's axis of rotation is vertical. It is a false statement because the Earth's axis of rotation is tilted. It is known to you, it is inclined or tilted, sloping position. So the Earth's axis of rotation is vertical. This sentence is a false sentence. Beside the sentence, you write false in your book. Number 2, all the planets of the solar system rotate from west to east. It is also a false statement. Most of the planets rotate from west to east. That is true. That is a point. But remember, there are 2 exceptional cases. One is Venus and another one is Uranus, which rotate from east to west. So, all the planets of the solar system rotate from west to east is a false statement. Mind it, all the planets of the solar system rotate from west to east is a false statement. There are two planets, Venus and Uranus. They rotate from east to west. Number 3, the northern and southern hemispheres always have the opposite seasons. Yes, it is a true statement. The northern and southern hemisphere always have the opposite season. This thing is known to you. Number 4, the orbit of the Earth is circular in shape. It is also a false statement because the orbit of the Earth is not a circular. It is elliptical or oval in shape. So the orbit of the Earth is circular in shape is a false statement. Last one is polar nights occur during winter. It is a true statement because polar nights occur during winter. The continuous night in the polar regions during winter is known as polar night. So, polar nights occur during winter. This sentence is a true statement. This statement is a true statement. So, students, you learn all these 3, A, B and C. These 3 questions, that is, fill in the blanks, match the following and write true or false. This much is today's work. So, till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.